Hello everyone, my name is Jeevanand Bendigeri, an aspiring data analyst. So today I'm going to talk about my recent project, that is consumer goods analysis project of AtliQ hardware. So without any further delay, let's get into the project. So before getting into the problem statement, let me give you a quick brief about the company. So, AtliQ Hardware is a global consumer electronics company specializing in production and distribution of various wide range of hardware products, so such as computers, smartphones, and other electronic devices across various regions, APAC, Latin, NA, and EU. So let's move into the next section, that is problem statement. In problem statement, you can see that AtliQ Hardware is a leading computer hardware producer. They faced significant challenge due to the lack of actionable insights, which hindered their effective decision making. So, the management team struggled with gaining a clear understanding of key performance metrics, which led to inefficient operation and missed opportunity. So, to tackle this issue, the data analytics director, Tony Sharma, expanded a data analytics team with several skilled junior data analysts, and I was tasked to find critical insights, that is 10 ad hoc business requests using SQL. Here you can see the AtliQ hardware business model. That is, we have in the products, we have products to the different types of customers through various platform and channels, catering both physical store and online marketing. So we have customers like Chroma, Best Buy, Amazon, Flipkart, and customer platform is brick mortar and e-commerce through which they can sell their products. So and the customer channels are we have retailers, direct and distributor. In retailer, we have they have Chroma, Amazon. They are the customers, and in direct, they have their own store through which they sell their product directly to the customers. That is AtliQ e-store and AtliQ exclusive. And further, there is a distributor called Neptune to further expand their businesses to the local store across various countries. They have like a distributor called Neptune. So coming to the next slide, we have AtliQ product division. That is in the AtliQ product division, they have PC, P and A, that is peripherals and accessories, and N and S, that is networking and storage. In further PC, there is a desktop, notebook, and you can see the all the products, that is business laptop, personal laptop, and again in notebook there is a gaming laptop, personal laptop, and business laptop. And coming to peripherals, they have products like graphic card, internal HOD, motherboard, processor. And in accessories, there is batteries, keyboard, mouse. And in networking, there is a Wi-Fi extender. And in storage, there is the external SSD, USB flash drive. So this is all about the AtliQ's product division. So coming to the next slide, that is dataset and tools. That tool which I have used is SQL and Power BI, where I connected the SQL database directly to the Power BI by importing to the Power BI. So, and the various tables which I have included is that DIM customer, DIM product, fact manufacturer, pack monthly sales, and pack gross sales, and pack pre-invoice deduction. And the data model which I have done here is it follows the star schema. So coming to the next slide, that is first ad hoc request one. The question is that provide the list of market in which the customer exclusive operates his business in the APAC region. You can see this is the query, and the output is India, Indonesia, Japan, Philippines, South Korea, Australia, and New Zealand, and Bangladesh. These are the markets. And another add-on inside which I have added is that, so as you can see here in this visual, so These are the markets which are generating revenue for the AtliQ exclusive in the APAC region. So as we can see, India is generating more number of revenue, and Japan is generating very less revenue. So this indicates that India has a very high demand for that click exclusive product. So we can target India for to expand their business furthermore. So this is about the first question, and let's move to the next slide. That is ad hoc request 2. Here the question is, what is the percentage of unique product increase in 2021 versus 2022? So the unique product in the year 2020 it was 245, and in the unique product in the year 2021 it was 334, and the percentage change is 36.33. So this indicates the positive business growth for the AtliQ hardware. As we can see, there is a growth of 36.33%. So let's go to the next slide. So coming to the next slide, there is a ad hoc request 3, that is provide a report with all the unique product count for each segment. So we have various segment: notebook, accessories, peripherals, desktop, storage, and networking. And in the as we can see in the visual, that notebook has very much high production with the product count of 129, and followed by the accessories with the product count of 116, and then followed by the peripheral, that is 84 product count. And we can see that desktop, storage, and networking is very limited to the customer, and it is a least production growth. So maybe we can do something about the desktop, storage, and networking by offering good offers for the customers in order to increase the sales of desktop, storage, and networking. So next, get into the next slide. So now coming to the fourth question, that is a follow-up question for the previous question. Now that which is, which segment has had the most increase in unique products in the year 2021 versus year 2022? So as we all know, the AtliQ hardware has the segments like notebook, accessories, peripherals, storage, desktop, and networking. Now coming, as we can see here, the notebook, accessories, and peripherals having the high production count with the noticeable differences. But whereas for the storage, desktop, and networking, there is a very limited amount of production count with very less differences between each years. That is 2020 and 2021. So in order to increase the production and demand for the storage, desktop, and networking segment as well, maybe the AtliQ hardware could offer good eye-catching discount for the customers, so they could increase the sales and demand for these segments as well. So this is all about fourth question. And coming to the next question, that is fifth request. So, get the products that have the highest and the lowest manufacturing cost. So, after querying, we found out that at AQ Home Allen 1 Gen 2 is the product that has the highest manufacturing cost, whereas AQ Master Wired X1 MS is a product that has the lowest manufacturing cost. Slide. Coming to the sixth question, that is generate a report which contains the top 5 customers who received an average high pre-invoice discount percentage for the fiscal year 2021 in the Indian market. So we have the customers like Flipkart, Vivex, eZone, Chroma, and Amazon, where Flipkart being the most discount percentage, that is 30.83, followed by Vivex, eZone, Chroma, and Amazon having the least average discount percentage, that is 29.33. So coming to the seventh ad hoc request, the question is to get the complete report of gross sales amount for the customer AtliQ exclusive for each month, and for the fiscal year for the AtliQ hardware, the it starts from September month and ends at August. Okay, and coming to the visuals, as we can see here, during the month of March there is a dip. Why? The reason is the COVID. During the COVID time there was a hard time, that was a hard time, so there was a very, it is shown very less gross sales, and but later on it took consistent growth for the coming months. And in the year 2021, as we can see here, there is a significant growth in gross sales when compared to the year 2020. And in the October month, there is a significant growth in revenue. That is simply because it is a festive time in India, as we know. That is the reason there is a peak growth in that during those season. So let's move to the eighth request. The question is, in which quarter of 2020 got the maximum total sold quantity? So in the year 2020, in the first quarter, they have like 7.01 million sold quantity, and in the quarter two, they had like 6.65 million sold quantity. And for quarter four, there is a 5 million, around 5 million sold quantity. And for the quarter three, you can see there is only 2 million sold quantity. As I said before, during the year 2020, during the March time, the quarter three, you can see here, in the quarter three, March, April, May, during that time there was a COVID. uh, so because of that reason, there is very less sold quantity. Ninth ad hoc request. The question is, which channel helped to bring more gross sales in the fiscal year 2021, and the percentage contribution? As you know, there are three channels: retailer, director, and distributor. For the AtliQ hardware, the maximum gross sales are coming from the retailers, which is 73.22% of the total sales, and followed by the direct channel of 15.48 percentage, and the least contribution is coming from the distributor, that is 11.31 percentage. So coming to the 10th request, that is, the question is to get the top three products in each division that have high total sold quantity in the fiscal year 2021. So as you can see in the visuals, we have a distribution of various products among different division, that is network and storage, for peripherals and accessories, PC. So in N&S division, that is networking and storage, in that division, AQ pen drive 2-in-1 is a product that is most sold product, that appears as first rank. And AQ pen drive DRC is the product that is appeared twice among top three products. And in the peripherals and accessories division, there's a AQ Gamer MS is the product that has appeared at first rank, but the AQ Maxima MS is the product that has appeared twice among top three. And in the PC division, the AQ Digit is the product that has appeared at first rank and also twice. And AQ Velocity is the product that is the second most sold product and appears at the second rank. So that's all about my project. So before ending this video, I would like to thank my mentors, Jeevanand sir and Dhaval Patel sir, and the entire Code Basics team. So if you like my presentation, give it a like and give your feedback. So see you all in the next presentation.